Hey G Squad, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I made these honey maple sticky wings. So if you want to see how I put together this fingers food snack, then come on back. Hey G Squad, so here are all the ingredients on the counter. We're going to start with the chicken wings. So I've already washed these, and I washed my chicken wings by soaking them in cold water. I add some vinegar in there as well as some lemon juice. I allow it to soak for about 20 minutes, and then I go in and wash the chicken really good, and then I give it 2 additional rinses after that. In that plate, I have 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, and then I have 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. In the measuring cup, there's a cup of water. Here, this is a half a cup of soy sauce. In this cup, I have 1/3 of brown sugar. I have some grapeseed oil that I'm going to be using for my chicken. And then in this bowl is just a combination of some of my favorite seasoning spices and blends. So I just have that. Right here, I have a tablespoon of honey, and then I have 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Right here, I have 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and I have it mixed with water. And then this is going to serve as a thickening agent. And right here, I have just a mixture. It's black and white sesame seeds. Okay, so with everything mentioned, let's get started with making our chicken. After about cooking for like 15 minutes, now it's time to flip the wings. Alright, so let's get started with our sauce. So I'm going to add my water. Add my soy sauce. And then I'm going to start off with half. Okay, so I'm going to allow this to cook for a few minutes, stirring it occasionally. And as it starts to thicken up, then we'll just turn it off, because once it cools down, it's going to thicken up even more. Okay, so this is the consistency you want your sauce to be. That's how it looks. Okay, so we're going to turn this off, and I'm going to transfer this to a dish so it can cool off. Okay. And as this sauce cools down, it's going to thicken up some more. Alright family, so here we are. My honey maple sticky wings. Yeah, this is a really great finger food. Something to just snack on. And then you see I paired it with some lettuce and carrots. And so comment below how you like the presentation. And the sauce tastes amazing. So yeah family, if you try this recipe, I always say, you know, take a picture and post it on our community tab, okay? And yeah, and also I'm going to have this with some ranch dressing, but you know, you can pair it with blue cheese or a dressing of your choice, or you know what, you don't even need dressing with it if you choose not to. But in any case, I love you guys so much. Thank you always for your support and taking the time out, whether it be 8 minutes to 20 minutes, but taking your time out your schedule to pop in to see what I'm doing. I appreciate it a lot. And yeah, on that note, I look forward to seeing y'all in the next video. Bye.